Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my respected lecturer, Dr. Ibrahim and Mustafa, my name is Nurulsyahira binti Ibrahim. My matric number is 263449. I want to represent my case study about Elon Musk corporate governance. For the first question is, as a board member for or against for the merger with the SolarCity. Why? As a board member of Stellar, I want for the merger with the SolarCity. The reason for the merger with SolarCity will encourage social responsibility. Merger with the SolarCity can contribute on the finding of alternative energy to find replacement for scarce resource on solar energy with the low cost. For example, the strategic planning of vertical integration between SolarCity and Silovo able to purchase solar panels with lower price. The rooftop installation fees declined 4.73. The strategic planning lower the price of the solar and hence of the consumers. In other words, the reputation of when the equation of the SolarCity was not profitable. Moreover, merger with the SolarCity can better vertical integrate with the Tesla. Indicate that Tesla vision is to generate renewable energy. Vertical integration between SolarCity and Tesla might provide quality of Tesla electronics and new invention can be achieved with the lower cost. Moreover, SolarCity also can cooperate with the Tesla Gigafactory. Solar begin offering home energy bodies including solar panels and battery using Tesla wall battery packs. The merger with city enables the borders of chains become more stable. Elon Musk also indicate that Stellar design and the manufacturing will gain benefit from the SolarCity solar panels. The last question is assess Musk's strategy to build the Gigafactory. What are the pros and the cons of building the larger factory in the works for the battery? Determine if Elon Musk probably is good. There are several factors that we need to evaluate. These factors are related to whether the strategy for diversification are based on logic, not just on instinct. Below we will discuss the factors that contribute to Musk's positive viewpoints as well as his negative viewpoints. The pros is the timing of Musk's decision to build the Gigafactory was an offensive decision, which means he decided to invest in new facilities based on a forward-looking approach. The pro for this Musk strategy is creates more sharing. The large factory also have the cost which is not flexible, and the second cons is more likely to be exposed to a variety of risks. Thank you.